Wagwan. I mean you Rasta chill. So what you can do about that? Me hungry, yeah. So what? Rich your feelings. Me like how you deal with your children them. You're a good father. Social intervention, yeah. Me like how you can reason with the kids them, have a good relationship with the kids them. Jovial person, but one thing me need to tell you, you look like one balloon. You know them big balloon there? You look like one of them big balloon there when time you blow you up so and it starts slowly. I say, look, God knows star, you come like a waterbed. Virgin, fix up yourself, man. Get yourself in tune, man. Make your girl them can look by you and say, yeah. Right now, make man get class like the class and then put Jesus Christ and the three teeth them pan. Hey, Tony Mataran, I see you need to go on a church. You need to go on a church. You're big old grey back, man. Talk about you still look young like 1996. All grey back, man. Think that make man get hungry. If you go cool, go to church. Hey, Marvin the Beast, you feel great, you drop Nikisha like a bowl of hot soup and go pick up Hits Her New York. Hits Her New York. How comes? Fish part. Every day you know, get up and live this social media lifestyle I try to make your life look like say on this and that. And that's some dirty lifestyle you know, live. For money I live in the street. Money I make you do all sort of sitting. Some like immoral lifestyle. Some bad self-esteem lifestyle. And what kind of idiot thing that you know go on? You know get the Rasta man mad, you know. You know make the Rasta man get class. You wanna make my blood pressure go up. A heart attack you want to kill man. A heart attack you want. Yo man, tell you know when you see one state of emergency walk on and a man take a baby. I'm telling you this, if you can't keep the peace by yourself, well the government have to find out a way to keep the peace. My you man, tell you no go and good out there now. Be a idiot thing you go on without there now. Come careful, burn my spliff in peace and a virgin. Be careful, burn my spliff in peace. If me light up a spliff on my veranda, like them have some supersonic nose, you know. As man light a spliff, I be a soldier and police me I see no virgin. Man can't even go a shop in peace at night time. I be a soldier and police. Man tired Phillips and a virgin. I want to tell you, you need to fix up on a dirty attitude. You need to fix up on a lifestyle. Jamaica time for a fix up, you know. You make my heart condition go up, you know. You make my heart rate go up, skyrocket, you know, brethren. You make blood pressure take me, you know. You make blood pressure kill me. You make heart attack kill me. And some of you go on like you know, hype on social media and you can buy a pound of rice. You can fool some of the people them sometimes, but you can't fool all of the people them all the time. I want to tell you, I do social media life, you know, I live in a real life. No for no dead for hungry. No for no more stink like Riverton garbage dump. No for no more stink like retirement garbage dump. No for no not even know how to use a floss and no dirty teeth. No for no not even brush on no teeth. I want to tell you, go even on the dirty lifestyle and get the Rasta man hungry, you know. No for no not even know how to be it good. I want to tell you, every day you get up and clean this and clean that and not even know how to take care of yourself. No for no to go mine on the pit and stuff and go on like say I life and all live fine. You know, get the Rasta man mad, you know. I want to tell you, go you know. And some of the girl where they sell on themselves indirectly on social media, Instagram, WhatsApp, Twitter, Facebook, are selling themselves indirectly every day on the get up on a single and a run bag of man all bought. And some of the boy are idiot, you know, they make a girl a style and a take away on the money, you know. On the money want to fair use, so then pick at school, you know. No for no take on the money, get girl and not even buy food put in on the house, you know. No for no fridge, not even remember what a pound of chicken back look like. When last you go to supermarket, when last you go to meat shop, and every day you get up on the clean and the latest name brand. No for them girl have them girlfriend, and them money are use, you know, take on the money and I call them the bed. You know some big head bob fool. Yeah man, no for no man have some big head bob fool, Bridget. You know, to clean up on the dirty lifestyle, gone, you know, Bridget.